In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel a hosting package with HostGator. Now, this might seem like a task that's a bit daunting at first, especially if you're not quite familiar with the process, but don't worry, I'm here to walk you through each step, making it as smooth and straightforward as possible. Whether you're switching hosting providers or no longer need the service, canceling your HostGator hosting package is quite simple once you know where to go and what to do. Let's start from the very beginning. You'll want to open up Google Chrome or whichever web browser you prefer using. Once you've got your browser open, head over to the HostGator website and log into your customer portal. This is your one-stop spot for managing all things related to your HostGator account. After you're logged in, you'll need to navigate to the billing section of your dashboard. This is where you'll find all the financial aspects of your account, including your current and past services, billing details, and more. Once you're in the billing section, look for the tab labeled My Services. This tab acts like a hub for all the services you've purchased from HostGator. Now comes the part where you select the hosting package you wish to cancel. Take a moment here to double check that you're choosing the correct package, especially if you have more than one hosting service with HostGator. Once you've confirmed you're looking at the right package, there will be an option to request cancellation. Go ahead and click on that. From here, you'll be guided through a series of prompts to confirm and submit your cancellation request. HostGator will ask for some basic verification to ensure that it's really you making this request. Follow these prompts carefully, providing any necessary information to proceed. This helps prevent any accidental cancellations or potential security issues. When you've completed these steps, it's important to keep an eye out for an email from HostGator. They will send a confirmation to the email address associated with your account. This acts as your official notification that your cancellation request has been processed. If you don't see it immediately, make sure to check your spam folder, just in case it landed there. So, there you have it, a complete guide to canceling your hosting package with HostGator. It's all about knowing where to find the right options and following through with the prompts. Remember, if for some reason you don't receive the confirmation email, or if you have any other questions, don't hesitate to reach out to HostGator's support team. They're there to help you with any concerns you might have. Thank you for watching, and as always, happy navigating.